I've tested a lot of CRMs that promise to put the customer first, but most of them felt like data dumps, cold spreadsheets dressed up in fancy dashboards. Then I tried LiveAgent, which takes a different approach. Instead of treating customers as rows in a database, it brings every conversation, ticket, and relationship into one place. The question is, does it actually make customer communication easier, or is it just another support tool pretending to be a CRM? LiveAgent is best known as a help desk and customer support platform, but it also comes with a built-in CRM feature set that gives businesses a single place to manage both conversations and customer data. The idea here is simple. When your team is handling tickets, live chat, calls, or emails, they shouldn't have to jump into another system just to check who the customer is, what they've purchased, or what issues they've had in the past. LiveAgent brings that customer history directly into the support workspace. So while it's not a traditional sales-driven CRM, it positions itself as a customer relationship hub designed for support-heavy teams that value speed, context, and consistency in communication. The first thing that stands out is how seamlessly conversations and customer data are connected. Every ticket or message is automatically tied to a customer profile, giving you an instant snapshot of their history. You see past tickets, interactions across email, chat, social media, or even phone calls, all without leaving the dashboard. That context is gold for support teams. The live chat integration is another highlight. Customers can reach out in real time, and agents can respond with all the customer's past information right there on the screen. Pair that with canned responses, automation rules, and chat distribution, and suddenly customer support feels less like firefighting and more like a smooth workflow. I also appreciated the ticket management system, which is really at the heart of LiveAgent. It's fast, organized, and customizable, with the ability to set priorities, assign agents, and even create SLA rules to ensure responses stay on track. When combined with the CRM aspect, it ensures no customer inquiry feels like a stranger knocking at your door. You always know who they are and what they need. Another plus is the multi-channel support. Customers today don't just email, they message on Facebook, tweet at you, or send chat requests from your website. LiveAgent pulls all of that into one unified inbox, which means fewer tabs, fewer missed conversations, and a lot less stress for your team. Now, if you're expecting LiveAgent to completely replace a sales-focused CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, you'll probably be disappointed. While it's excellent for support and relationship management, it doesn't offer deep sales pipeline features like forecasting, opportunity tracking, or advanced reporting. It's more about managing ongoing conversations than running full-scale sales campaigns. Another consideration is the learning curve. LiveAgent packs in a lot of features: knowledge base, chat widgets, automation rules, gamification for agents, and it can feel overwhelming at first. It's powerful once you set it up, but smaller teams may need some patience during onboarding. Pricing can also be a factor. While there's a lot of value here, costs can rise depending on the number of agents and channels you enable. It's worth comparing against simpler CRMs if you only need lightweight contact management. LiveAgent shines as a CRM for support-driven businesses. If your team spends more time answering customer inquiries than chasing new leads, it's a fantastic solution. It keeps every piece of customer data close to the conversation, helps your agents respond faster, and ensures customers feel recognized and valued every time they reach out. It's not going to replace a full-sale CRM for businesses with complex pipelines, but it's one of the best tools for blending support and relationship management in one platform. So is LiveAgent worth it? If your priority is providing fast, personalized support while keeping track of every customer relationship, then yes, it delivers exactly what it promises. But if your focus is hardcore sales analytics, you'll probably want to pair it with a dedicated CRM. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe for more honest breakdowns, and tell me in the comments, would you rather use one tool for both support and CRM, or keep them separate?